Bro, this is not the young how many quarters. Not the genius.
Oh, yeah.
My name is Comrade Sunday Atta. As you can see here today, you can see the passion in the heart of the Nigerian youth, all in the bid to rescue their country, all in the bid to rescue the future of this country from the hand of this rascal called Nnamdi Kanu. You can see what his supporters have been doing, even in front of the premises of this court, attacking innocent people here. That is to tell you the kind of indoctrination that man has put in the mind of his people. And we are here today to say that we are behind the judges, we are behind the Federal High Court, we are behind the judiciary, because from our information we understand that some of his members are going about threatening judges and threatening lawyers. We will not take it anymore. We are here to say enough is enough of the evil of Nnamdi Kanu. One Nigeria!
My name is Mohammed Saleh Hassan. I'm the president of One Nigeria Group. The reason why we are here to tell the whole world that the unity of our country is not at all negotiable. And you can see this crowd is a significant testimony of our commitment, passion, and love for our country. This crowd cuts across all tribes, all sections of this country. Everybody is here to show our love, and support our judges, to also tell the whole world that IPOB is a terrorist organization and they must bring them to justice. This is why we are here today. Thank you. My name is Mohammed Saleh. I'm the president of One Nigeria Group. That's my card. One last one for the Nigeria.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.